Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing another full day of eating keto vlog. This is where you follow me around for the entire day and I get to show you what I eat and consume as I stay on a ketogenic track throughout the entire day. Now today, I already know that I will be going out to dinner. I won't be ordering takeout, but I will actually be going to a restaurant and ordering dinner tonight. So that'll be something new that I haven't really done, I think, in a little while on the channel. So you'll get to see that, and it might get a little awkward because usually the people I'm with aren't like super video friendly. So it's stretching everybody out of their comfort zones a little bit, one of which would be John. So we're gonna do that today. I will track everything as best I can in the Carb Manager app. If you don't know how to use that app to track your macros, check out the link below in the video description of my video using the Carb Manager app. Thank you guys so much for all your support with that video. I cannot believe that you guys have had it ranked #1 when searching Carb Manager. Thank you so much, because that's all because of you guys. So we're gonna use that app to track. Now listen, going to a restaurant tonight is gonna be difficult because I know it's gonna be super hard to track everything that I eat there. So we'll do the best we can. If something comes up and we're not able to do it, don't throw a bunch of hate comments below. We are just gonna try to live our life today and do as best as we can and see what happens. So, being said, we are hopping into breakfast. Follow me and let's go. Good morning. Okay, so it's breakfast. I am having a bulletproof coffee for breakfast. The way that I made it was I took coffee and I shook it up in a shaker bottle with this stuff. There we go. It's keto cream. I love it. If you want to see more information about that or how I actually make it, I'll put the link to the video down in the description box. So after I shake it up, you can hear my dog going crazy. I just pour it right in there, and this is my breakfast. I don't have anything else. It is 130 calories. It has all the healthy fats in it that I need. It has a couple carbs, but I think it's only 2 or 3. It's no big deal for me. It works perfectly. And we're getting ready to send this one off to Dr. Seuss Day at school, right? Who are you right now? How are you dressed? He's the cat in the hat. We didn't have the tall hat, so we had the little one. You should make it work, right? Right, okay. So, breakfast. Just living my life, drinking my coffee as it snows. Okay, but like, has anyone read this? Because I've heard such great things about this, and I'm gonna jump into it right now. I just finished Where the Crawdads Sing, and it is so good. I enjoyed it so much. I read it in like a couple days. Definitely recommend that. And then this was recommended. So post below in the comments, have you read either Where the Crawdads Sing? Have you read The Nightingale? What are you reading right now? What are you loving? For lunch, I made scrambled eggs with a side of sauteed mushrooms and asparagus. Probably put together, it's over a cup of vegetables cooked in olive oil, and I added some coconut oil, and I cooked the eggs in coconut oil too. Here is my lunch. So it's the first real food I'm eating. It's about 1:30. It's almost 1:45, so about 1:30 when I started cooking it. So that is lunch. I will add that into Carb Manager, and then I will see you guys at dinner time. Okay, it is like 4-ish, and we have decided we are doing date night. We are going to a restaurant that has such delicious food, and I'm really, really excited about it. So I don't really want to spend my time between now and the restaurant snacking. So what I'm gonna do is have a ketone. So this will help me stay full and satisfied, and will also just keep me in ketosis and allow me to get to dinner. So I have about 24 ounces of ice water, and I'm gonna do raspberry lemonade. It's really tart, I like it. So I'm gonna put that in, and then I'm going to shake it up, and it'll probably take me about 20 minutes to drink this. And then I'll also obviously be having water between now and dinner, but I probably won't be having anything else. I'm not sure when we're going to dinner. It probably won't be until 7-ish, which means we're probably not gonna eat until like 8. It's gonna be late. So I just wanna make sure it's snapped. So I don't want to start binge snacking. So there we go. So for my macros, I have the scrambled eggs and the coffee and everything in there, and everything looks really good. I can actually have a little bit more carbs for dinner than I probably normally do. So I'm not sure what we're gonna have, but I have a feeling that oysters are in my future. So I'll see you guys later. Hi guys. So dinner. So for dinner, we decided that we were going to have kind of a date night turned / date night, including friends night. And we went out to a local restaurant here in New Jersey called the Arlington. It's on Long Beach Island. And we went, and I already kind of knew exactly what I wanted. I was craving just a giant piece of really delicious steak. So that's what I got. I ended up getting a New York strip steak with asparagus. It originally came with some kind of mashed potato or version of mashed potatoes, and I asked them to please sub the starch with a veggie, so I got the asparagus instead. It was all cooked in what seemed to me like a lot of butter. So in Carb Manager, I did my best to put what I thought was a serving of that New York strip steak, some butter in there, and asparagus, and that way I could calculate my macros. Now again, is it going to be perfect? No, but it's a really, really good guess at where I was for the day. So I pulled it up on my computer, and I'll show you guys too. As you can see, I ended up at 82% fat, 14% protein, and only 4% net carbs. So today was a really great day. I did feel full. I did not have a time where I was like, oh geez, I'm really hungry or really wanting to snack. We were actually out late that night. We had a friend singing at a bar, so we went to go support her and with our friends, and it was a really, really good time. So there are options and ways of fitting into your lifestyle of going out to eat. Now listen, can I afford to go out and have steak every single night? No, but that was what I chose to do for this evening. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and just kind of showing you that you can go on date night, you can do what you want to do, and if you want to have a drink on date night, there are more low carb friendly drinks as well. I would stay away from anything sugary, stay away from beer, stay away from anything really that has color, and try to go for clear items. You can definitely Google all of that kind of stuff if that's what you're looking for, information regarding that. But you can have date night, and you can have fun, and you can have a chill day where you don't have to eat a whole bunch of like the more processed stuff too. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about a day of eating keto, low carb, or how you can make it work for you, pop them in the comments. I will be there hanging out with you guys. Like this video if you've watched it all the way through. Thank you so much. And if you haven't, subscribe. What are you waiting for? Follow me on Instagram at Shorty Carly, Shorty with an I, and visit carlyvoinski.com for recipes, blog posts, and just more information about what's going on. Thanks so much, guys, and until next time.